Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are visiting for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with other crochet lovers. Today we are sharing some adorable crochet baby boy dress designs and patterns, and all unique, handmade and perfect for little ones. Let's start with classic baby boy rampers. These are sleeveless or short sleeved one piece outfits with button closure made using basic stitches like double crochet or half double. They are simple yet super cute. You will see patterns with stripes, pocket details, or even animal themed buttons. Best colors light blue, green, mint green, and even mustard for a modern look. Next up are baby boy sweaters or cardigans. These come in both plain and textured designs using chest stitches, cable, or ribbons. Some have collars while others are hoodie style. You can add wooden buttons or tiny beer appliques for extra charm. These outfits are perfect for winter and cooler days. Now let's look at crochet vests and waistcoats. These are simple sleeveless designs often made with granny squares or more stitch. They give a stylish touch to plain baby shirts or choose soft yarn in navy, white or brown for a formal baby look. You can also mix your own texture for extra style. We also have crochet baby sets. These include shorts with matching tops or pants with little jackets. These are great for gifting or special events like birthdays. Some designs include drawstrings, bands, and matching caps. You will find adorable spender style dresses made with basic stitches but look super stylish. So these were some of the most trending and stylish crochet baby boy dress patterns. Which one did you love the most? Tell us in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your crochet friends. See you in the next one and happy crocheting.